Hey everyone, I'm Bill Winterberg of FPPad.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is exciting. I'm excited, I hope you're excited. This is the giveaway announcement from our 2018 coverage at the NAB Show. I was able to line up, along with my producer Steve Bierman, we lined up some giveaways. So I had a JOBY GripTight Action Kit, a Grip Gear Movie Maker 2 set, micro dolly and extra track, as well as a 1-year subscription to Soundstripe music licensing service that I also use, are available as giveaways. So the rules were, through the month of April, you had to go to my YouTube channel and go to one of those 3 videos, Soundstripe, JOBY, and Grip Gear, and leave a comment in the description below. And so here is how this is going to work. I found this nifty website back in April called YouTube Random Comment Selector. Here it is. I'm going to pick the URL from each of these videos, put that URL in the comment picker, and it's going to pick a random winner. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with the JOBY GripTight Action Kit video. So let's go get that URL, go to the comment generator, comment picker, and then I think all I have to do is select it. Oh, the orange icon next to the field to get the comments. Oh, of course. User interface, we got it. 44 unique comments. Thank you so much for adding those comments to it. Let's pick a winner. Drum roll. Going through those random winners. And CVDB. Let me copy and paste that. I've got a little file going on here, and I just have my little shortcut here. C.VDB. I'm gonna send you a message out on YouTube in the comments. I'm gonna reply. You need to email me, email bill@fppad.com, and I'm gonna get you hooked up with JOBY, and they're gonna send you 1 free GripTight Action Kit to you. I think that's totally awesome. So congratulations, C.VDB. You are the winner of the GripTight Action Kit. All right, how about another one? Let's go and launch into the next video, which is the Soundstripe video. Let me go grab that URL, paste it in the comment generator, and hit this button. See how many unique comments we got there. We got 42 unique comments. And oh, I need to do some rules information. If you won the JOBY GripTight Action Kit, so you're not eligible for the Soundstripe giveaway or the Grip Gear giveaway. Only 1 prize per winner, all right? So that's kind of the slight rules modification. Okay, let's jump back in here, pick that random winner on the Soundstripe video. You get a 1-year license to the Soundstripe service, and the winner is, all right, Dana Menard, awesome. Let's go get that, put that in my Pages document. You are the winner of a 1-year Soundstripe subscription, a $135 value. You can use all sorts of music in your podcasts and videos. You get licensing. You don't have to worry about copyright infringement to boost the production quality of all your podcasts and videos. So congratulations, Dana. I hope you enjoy the subscription to Soundstripe. So I've got 1 more prize to give away. What is it? Oh yeah, are you looking at this? The Grip Gear Movie Maker, the micro dolly, the extra track, got it right here. This stuff is really cool. I got version 1.0, used that at a bunch of events. I'm excited about using version 2 on my summer trip. So let's jump back over into the video. Here's the Grip Gear video. Let me grab the URL, paste that right here. Get how many comments were on there. 58. Odds are a little bit harder to win on this one, but let's do another drum roll, pick a random winner, and let's see who the winner of the Grip Gear Movie Maker 2 kit is. Larry Elkan. Nice job, Larry. Let's go and paste this into my winning document right down here. Larry Elkan, congratulations. You are the winner of the Grip Gear Movie Maker 2 kit, the micro dolly, and extra track, all valued about $199 value. Larry, I'm looking forward to you putting this in your office, in your home, out on the road, put it in your backpack. You can do some great sliders. You can use that rotating motor controlled rotating to do some great sunset and sunrise time lapses. Even use the micro dolly, roll that around on some granite countertops or maybe a restaurant table. The opportunities and possibilities are endless. So really thank you everyone, and congratulations to C.VDB, Dana and Larry. Congratulations on winning these great prizes. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, giving those thumbs ups to these videos, as well as leaving the comments below. I was very thrilled by all your engagement and all your feedback out there, and hopefully we'll continue to do something like this in the future. And speaking of which, you should subscribe to the FPPad YouTube channel, because I have an Echo Dot still in the box. I've got a flash briefing on my Echo devices. So if you just say, Alexa, enable FPPad, the Echo devices will go ahead and install that in your flash briefing. So you can do that right now. Maybe I activated it through this video, but in a couple of weeks, I'm gonna do a demonstration on how you can publish your own flash briefing without understanding any code, without going into the details of the Echo development environment. We can do this without code. So I'm gonna do that walkthrough on how to do it. And underneath that video, I'm gonna do the same type of thing. Add a comment to that video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the FPPad YouTube channel, and I'm gonna give away one of these Echo Dots. A $49.95 retail value. So here it is in my hot little hand. All you have to do, subscribe to the FPPad YouTube channel. That's right over right here in the dashboard. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and you'll receive that video that I show you how to publish your own flash briefing for Echo devices. And underneath that, I'll be collecting some comments and feedback where you can win the Echo Dot. So that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Congratulations to our winners, C.VDB, Dana, Menard, Larry, Elkan. Email me at bill@fppad.com. I'll get you hooked up with coupon codes or the redemption, whatever we need so that you can redeem your prizes. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Congratulations to our winners, and see you next time.